Hey, greetings from Texas. All right, today we're going to do a break away from the normal Smashburger monotony, and we're going to make a onion and jalapeno smashed cheeseburger. So we have 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef. For cheese, we're using my Kratz MC cold smoked cheddar cheese. We have minced dehydrated onion. That's a key flavor. That's the key flavor if you like White Castle hamburgers. So for toppings, we're going to be using tomato and romaine lettuce. And we're going to make a burger sauce using mayo, ketchup, dill relish, yellow mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. All right, so let's start with the main flavors that are going to be in here are the jalapeno and the onion. We'll get that hydrated, and then we will make the burger sauce, and then we'll go out and cook the hamburger. Okay, first off, we're going to make our jalapeno onion seasoning, which will go into the patty. First off, we're going to start with rehydrating these dehydrated onions, and they pack a lot of flavor. McDonald's uses them too in their regular hamburgers. So we're doing 1-to-1 water with the onion, and I'm going to kick this up even more. I want a little bit of garlic, so we're just going to take just almost a teaspoon, got a fly in here, of minced garlic. This has in oil, it's packed in oil, and it's infused. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. Sorry about that, we got interrupted by that fly. So what we done is we put our a quarter cup of water, quarter cup of minced onion. We added a teaspoon of garlic. And let's cut up our jalapenos. Finely diced to match the size of the onion. Okay, and we're just going to use half of that. Okay, besides salt and pepper, that'll be our main seasoning. Okay, next step is our burger sauce. So we're going to take a heaping spoon of our dill relish. We're going to put our mayo. We're going to put our yellow mustard. Now your ratios are whatever you want. And then the ketchup. And then Worcestershire. About a teaspoon and a half. And then we're going to finish it off with some fresh cracked black pepper. And there's our burger sauce. So let's get our toppings ready. Try to slice the tomato thinner than your hamburger patty. So there we have our tomatoes ready. Okay, had another fly in here. So we're just gonna crush that rib out. And we're gonna chiffonade our lettuce. All right, so for our cheese, I'm just walking the knife down. Now it's time to prep the star of our show. Again, this is 1 pound of 80/20. And we're just going to do 2 burgers. A little bit of lettuce there. And we're going to divide this in half. And we're gonna do a double, I think a double cheeseburger. Okay, we have everything we need, hopefully, to go out to the Blackstone griddle. I have some butter here. I like that to toast my buns and to help get that caramelized crust that's part of the signature Smashburger. Okay, first off, we're going to toast our buns. Let's sit down to get that center toasted. All right, let's check our buns here. All right, perfect. Our butter down. Okay, we'll take our press. We're going to season with salt and fresh cracked pepper. Take our onion, jalapeno, and garlic mixture. Okay, I think it's time to flip. And let's go ahead and add our cheese. All right, while those burgers are finishing up, let's go ahead and build our burger. I like to put some sauce on the bottom and some sauce on the top. We'll make a bed with our lettuce. And this will help protect that bun. We'll put our tomatoes. Let's go ahead. And there we have it. Okay, folks, there we go. There's our onion, garlic, jalapeno Smashburger. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, here we go. That is good. So there you have it. Kind of a variation from the standard Smashburger. If you haven't tried them, make them yourself. I think I have other videos on it. I have videos on hamburger sauce, all that stuff. I'm going to finish this off. I appreciate you stopping by. Leave some comments down below. Hit a thumbs up if you like it. And thanks for watching.